The Randomize tool shares the same space in the toolbar as the Smooth tool, which we discussed in the last video. The purpose of this tool is to move the selected vertices by a random amount in a random direction. We'll demonstrate its effect by starting with a plane and subdividing it 10 times. Now, with all the vertices selected and the Randomize tool activated, the same pin gizmo we saw when using the Smooth tool appears. Dragging on the pin moves every selected vertex in a seemingly random way. But the direction of the drag has an effect on the direction of the overall movement created. In the top left area of the viewport, the maximum movement is displayed. This changes as we continue to drag the mouse. A last op panel allows several properties to be modified. Unfortunately, the purpose of each field is not well documented, but according to the hint messages in Blender itself, the adjustments are as follows. Amount adjusts the distance of each vertex's displacement. Uniform tends towards an equal displacement for each vertex. Normal tends the direction of the displacement towards each vertex's normal. Random sets the seed for the random generator, and hence affects the direction and distance of the displacements. Although it may be difficult to give a precise description of each parameter, the overall effect is to adjust the distance and direction of the displacements. While the last op panel allows us to adjust the details of the randomize operation we've just performed, in the top left area of the 3D viewport, the same parameters are available for changing the characteristics of any subsequent randomize operation.